Hi everyone, it's Grace here. Today I'll guide you through one of the most fundamental aerial yoga asanas, Thoracic Wrap chair pose, where the fabric wraps directly underneath your shoulder blades, the big triangular bones on the upper back, on the thoracic part of your back, thoracic spine. So not the navel, waistline, and not the armpits, but directly underneath your scapulae. To get started, stand directly underneath the plumb line, the middle line. Bring your arms up overhead. Extend your arms behind you to a T so the fabric is directly in front of your shoulders. Grab the pose, even basic grip. Slide your hands down to shoulder height. Pull your hands apart, and like dental floss, you can slide your hands to that part underneath your shoulder blades, not the armpits or waist. Bring your elbows into the midline. Gaze at your belly button. Bend your knees, and with no swing, lean back. Take a step forward, and then the back foot forward. And that way it'll shift the weight so that the fabric is perpendicular to the ground so that you're centered with your plumb line. Most, when they enter, they do not take the step forward and they keep their weight here, which I understand because it takes the compression off the upper back. However, eventually you want to find that nice alignment with the hips underneath the plumb line. Feet hip-width apart or together, but the middle toes point forward. Thighs are parallel to the ground, so bringing the pelvis back. If at any point your hands get tired, you can push the post with your inner forearm and just have your hands in your mitten hands, fingers extended open. From here, you might notice that you feel this nice opening in your chest. The fabric is supporting your thoracic spine, so it's lifting your chest up, feeling that spinal extension, which counteracts all that hunching that we do daily over our phones, driving, cooking, and also you might feel this nice sensation in the lower back. Gravity is pulling down on your pelvis. So while the hammock is supporting your upper back, you'll feel your vertebrae create space between the discs. Eventually, then yes, you can just enter from a standing position, leaning back, stepping forward. But eventually, you want to just go the step-by-step route for new beginners and first-timers so they feel a little bit more stable. If at any point the fabric gets to your armpits, just lift yourself up, adjust the fabric underneath your scapulae. This is a great pose to work on your core as well. The feet are grounded, but you can't activate your core to become totally suspended. So find your cat position in your pelvis, drawing your tailbone towards your navel, getting rid of that low back arch. Then from here, you might find you can lift your feet up. So I still have that 90-degree angle in my legs in the invisible chair position, but I'm floating. If you found that to be difficult, that's okay. Find that correct position in your pelvis. Cat position, tucking the tailbone down, and then toe taps. Pointed toes and having the big toenail barely touch the ground. And then going fast. And then eventually you'll practice and find that one day you float. Exits are just as important as entrances. So to come out of this thoracic wrap chair pose, pull yourself up into a standing position. And if you find that you need to, rest in your ragdoll position, allowing the crown to hang heavy, taking any position you need where the hips feel comfortable underneath the plumb line. So I took a step back, and fingers just dangle down. Thanks for watching. See you at the next flight.